In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Today's topic is exploring the comprehensive scope and significance of the Prophet as a mercy for all creations. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. We have not sent you except as a mercy to the world. The Prophet's mercy profoundly shaped humanity, uplifting hearts and transforming communities across the world. His message, character, and mission brought compassion, justice, and moral clarity to humanity. His teachings uplifted the weak, protected the vulnerable, and established principles that honor human dignity regardless of race, status, or background. His mercy was not limited to his followers, but it extended to the strangers, enemies, animals, and even the environment. It reflected a universal compassion that transcends time and place. He forgave those who persecuted him. He advocated for the rights of women and orphans and encouraged education, charity, and social responsibility. He taught patience, humility, justice, and kindness. These qualities continue to inspire millions and offer a framework for harmonious living. His legacy shows that true leadership is measured not by power, but by the compassion that someone brings to humanity. The Prophet brought a system that prevents oppression and promotes fairness. Any framework that minimizes suffering and maximizes well being is, by any definitions, a mercy to humanity. Before Islam, many communities suffered from tribal warfare, exploitation, injustice toward women, and abuse of the power of the poor. The Prophet introduced laws and values that ended harmful practices, elevated the status of women, protected orphans, and encouraged freeing slaves. Thanks for watching.